In Gansu province in northwest China, there are more than 5,000 mounds on the desolate Gobi Desert. Such a landform is called a Yardang. Walking through the area, you can hear the eerie howling winds. They've not only given this place the name, the Place of Devils, but also carved the Yardang landform into different shapes. Wind speeds here can reach up to force 12. Sometimes as fast as the running speed of a cheetah, the fastest animal on land, and strong enough to lift a 10-meter high wave. These mounds, which were originally sediment layers at the bottom of the lake, are not strong enough to withstand the insistent winds. The sand and stones picked up by the wind are like weapons, hacking away the rock surface and carving out a variety of shapes, giving full play to the imagination. A bird's eye view reveals a regular layout of the mounds. They are all the same height and direction, and look like a great fleet sailing across the Gobi Desert.